All right, so we're gonna be making high protein cookies. Woo! All right, now that awkward movement's out of the way, we are gonna actually start by using a lot of peanut butter. The egg. Now we're gonna put the yogurt in there, just a little bit. All right, so we're doing sugar-free brown sugar. So this is actually with Truvia or stevia in it. And then the protein. All right, then we're gonna blend it all together. If it gets a little dry, just put a little almond milk in there. Let's try this again. Now we're gonna put the chocolate chips in. Now we put it in the oven and wait. All right, we shall see.